In the previous video, we talked about grab text and image to video, two Magic Studio features that help you extract text from images and turn static visuals into short animations. In this video, we're going to continue exploring Canva's Magic Studio by looking at three more powerful tools: Magic Edit, Magic Expand, and Magic Layers. These tools allow you to modify parts of an image, extend the frame of your photo, and even separate objects into individual elements you can customize. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. The first thing you want to do is head over to your Canva account and click on Create from the left-hand panel. Choose any canvas size that matches your project. Once your blank canvas is open, go to the Upload section and add the image you want to work with. After placing the image onto your canvas, select it and hover your cursor over the floating toolbar, then click Edit. This will open the editing panel on the left side where you'll find the Magic Studio tools. Let's start with Magic Edit. This tool allows you to modify either the entire image or a specific part of it using a prompt. One way to use it is by applying a prompt to the whole image if you want to change the overall look or style. Another method is by using the brush feature. Simply brush over the area you want to modify, then type a prompt describing what you want Canva to generate in that selected section. There's also a click feature, which uses Canva's object detection to scan the image and automatically select objects for you. This works similarly to Magic Grab, allowing you to quickly select an object and apply a prompt to modify it. Next is Magic Expand. This feature lets you extend your image beyond its original borders. When you activate Magic Expand, you'll be given several options for how you want to extend the image. You can expand it to fit the entire page, convert it into a square dimension, or use the freeform option to manually control which direction the image should expand. Canva will then generate new visual content to fill the extended area so the image still looks natural. Finally, we have Magic Layers, which is one of Canva's newest features. This tool uses AI to scan your image and detect different objects within it. Once processed, Canva separates those objects into individual elements. After the elements are separated, you can move them around, resize them, recolor them, or reposition them anywhere on your canvas, just like regular design elements. This gives you much more flexibility when editing photos inside Canva. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. With Magic Edit, Magic Expand, and Magic Layers, you can modify parts of your images, extend their dimensions, and even break them down into editable elements. These tools make Canva's Magic Studio incredibly powerful for creating more dynamic and customized designs. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.